YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from actually Michael's, AC Moore's, and Hobby Lobby. So everything I got today was on clearance. Yay! Didn't pay full price for anything. So when I went to Michael's, I ended up getting this doily set. It was on clearance. It was red for $1.29, so I got it because my color red. They're hard to find. They also had these tulle. They were 99 cents each. When I went to Joann's, I'm sorry, I got this from Joann. Love Nicole. No, AC Moore's Love Nicole. 5x7, and this was on sale for $1.99. It wasn't on clearance, but it was on sale for $1.99. It looks like a brick wall, but it's got a masculine one. But also think about travel, journeys. Could be a problem, could be a lot of different things that you can use that embossing folder for. Went to, this was in AC Moore as well. These were on clearance. So this one, I'm pretty sure I already have this one, like 99% sure. I have this one, so I really bought it to give away in my 3007. It was $1 and like 49 cents for the stamp set. So you got the months of the year, so that might be a good giveaway. And this one was $1.50, I think. And I love the font. It says hooray, woohoo, congrats, congratulations, you did it, way to go, yay, hooray, hip hip. So both of that was on clearance. Went to my Hobby Lobby. They finally had stuff on sale, which was nothing. Really nothing. But I'll just show you what I did from there from my own Hobby Lobby, because the last Hobby Lobby haul was when I was out of town. But this was $4.99, and this is Friends of a Feather by Spellbinders. And the Spellbinders number is, trying to see if it's on the back since I can't really see it on the front. Let's see, because the sticker is right there. It is SDS 126. So you get 4 templates and 8 stamps. They call them templates now instead of dies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's Toucan Do It. You've got this, a toucan of my affection. You know, little puns, playing words. So I got that one. I got 3 of the little small stamps. This one is his tractors, and the number is S3295. So this was on sale for $3.74. So it's a 3-piece set. You know, I got a grandson, so. And this one is Weekend Grill 6-piece set, $3.74, and it's S3312. And the little Spellbinders Delight. I like the little delights. This one was $5.74. So this is a 2-piece set. It has the word blessing in it, and then it also has the outside around the blessing, which is basically a detailed cutting die that you can make a frame out of. And this is by Marissa Job. And it is $5.74, and it's S5336. So it's called Thoughtful Expression. I mean, it's Thoughtful Expression, but the name of it is called Blessings Vine Frame. So I can see that being a nice card. And then the last 2 things I got from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, we really didn't have anything. So it was like all the stuff that I got when I was out of town. None of that was in my store. None of it. So they really didn't have anything this time. The last time, early in the year, they had a lot of stuff. This time, they just didn't. So I guess it's Feast of Famine, which is fine. So they had 12 dies to this piece, and it's the framelits, and it's by Sizzix, and Sizzix number is 662783. This was $5.49. Again, this is a Toucan Do It. I thought these 2 could play off each other, you know, changing up the sentiments and the dies. So they got the feathers, got the word hello, Toucan Do It, happy birthday. So it's got the bird, so you can, you know, switch up either one. I thought, since they're basically both toucans, you know, I thought they could play off of each other, because that's a toucan right there. So they can, you know, make that versatile. And it is at the price was $5.49. And this one was $4.99. And this is the Thinlits 10-piece die set, and it is called, what's the name of it? Envelope Liner Straight. And this toucan one was called Card Tropical Slider. Tropical slider. Not tropical, but tropical slider. So this 10-piece set basically goes to the liner where it says thank you, hello, those stars, those little pieces inside of the envelope, just to make it, you know, nice and cool. And it works with an A2 card. It says 4 3/8 by 5 3/4, or a mini 2.5 by 3.5 envelope, which is your A2 size. And it says envelope sold separately. Yes, it is. So some of the words is happy birthday, congrats, celebrate, thank you, and hello. So there's the different types of flaps and stuff, bubbles and hearts and dots and stuff like that. So anyway, so that's my haul. That's all I got from there. So anyway, thanks for like, watching, and subscribing. And guess what, ladies and gents? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.